Welcome to this video on the preparation of kefir. Kefir is a fermented drink that happens when you use these grains. These are kefir. They originate from the Caucasus, and what they do is they're able to digest different types of milks. As long as there is lactose in it, they can ferment the milk. So you can use normal cow's milk, or you can use whatever milk you want, sheep, goat, doesn't matter. So these are the grains, yes? What you see here is grains, how we ship them, for example. We send them on or sell them on our site. It's fermentx.com, and we ship them to Europe, different places in Europe. These are in water, not in milk. Water and lactose. So they will survive because they feed on lactose. We don't ship them. We don't want to ship in milk because milk can go bad. Even kefir can go bad when it's too fermented. Or we break the colony. So it can break the colony. It can ruin the colony. So what happens is if we need to ship to a part of Europe where it takes a bit longer, let's say 3 to 4 days, we have a safe packaging like this in water, and they will survive nicely. This is what we ship. We ship this one, 15 grams of kefir and a guide, and this is what you need to prepare it. We do an example with the cow's milk. We use a container like this. This is enough to ferment to get you started with 2.5 deciliters per day, which is not bad. I think that's enough as if you want when you want to start, and as you go along, they will grow and they will be able to ferment more milk. So, first step, we can prepare the milk we want to ferment. So, let's do, this is a half a liter, so we're going to fill it by half, like so. Fill it by half, and then it's as simple as adding the grains inside here. First, we're going to filter the water, and then we're going to add the grains in the milk. So let's start. Let's remove the first layer. Let's use the sieve here. We use the sieve made out of plastic because kefir can be damaged if they get in contact with metal. So we have these sieves. We also sell them on our site. And here you can see the grains, how they look like. So it's as simple as adding. This is fine. It's just water, so we can add them straight here. We don't even wash them. Now I've removed the rubber ring here as an isolation because we don't want it to be airtight. This is going to ferment. It's going to produce some CO2. And what is going to happen is we need to give the CO2 a chance to escape. So this is why I removed the rubber ring. You can also use just let's say a cloth and rubber to close it. It's also an option. You let it ferment for 1 day, 1.5 days if you want, even 2 potentially. And then what you do is you're gonna separate. You can separate the milk that will be fermented, again with a sieve, into a glass, say a glass, and then you can drink that kefir. That kefir you can drink. It's going to be very healthy. It will help your digestion. Start slowly. I recommend in the morning. Start with just a few tablespoons and see how you react. People report that they have increased energy. But that's the idea. You just, after 1.5 days, you filter it again. And I recommend not to wash the grains, but just to separate the grains from the kefir. You drink the kefir, and the grains you put in new milk, and you ferment again. And it's as simple as that. So if you want to buy them, we sell them on our site on fermentx.com, where you can order them and will ship to most European countries. Thank you for watching.